In the demanding world of fleet management, downtime is the enemy. To keep your fleet on the road and your business thriving, you need a solution you can trust. Introducing Gates Complete FleetRunner Kits, the ultimate solution for serpentine system service. With one part number, you get everything you need in one package, simplifying your maintenance process. Each kit includes OE Exact FleetRunner belts, FleetRunner heavy-duty tensioner, pulleys as required, and other necessary installation hardware. Gates FleetRunner belts and tensioners offer improvements over OE designs, addressing challenges identified through extensive heavy-duty maintenance histories. FleetRunner belts and tensioners are renowned for their lowest cost per mile performance, offering longer life and superior durability. They enable extended preventative maintenance intervals, providing the most cost-effective solution per mile. FleetRunner belts last 34% longer than OE and 4 times longer than any other aftermarket belts, while the tensioner's round spring design and patented dampening mechanism extends its life up to 3 times longer than any other aftermarket tensioner. This extended lifespan keeps your fleet on the road longer, reducing downtime and maximizing operational efficiency. Maintain optimum system performance by inspecting and replacing all system components together. Gates Complete FleetRunner Kits make it easy to perform proper serpentine system service, keeping your fleet on the job. Access the Gates VIN Decoder for a complete inventory of fleet parts, including the Gates FleetRunner Kit, ensuring comprehensive fleet management. And visit us at gates.com to learn more and keep your fleet running smoothly.